Students, today I will teach you a new topic of bioenergetics. I hope you will understand a previous one, ATP is molecular structure, difference between nucleic acid and nucleotide, nitrogenous bases, the comparison of DNA and RNA. Today your topic is photosynthesis. You know is a name of process. Photosynthesis is a name of process in which plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, light means sunlight, chlorophyll, and oxygen is released as a byproduct. And plants are stored energy in the form of glucose. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll basically a green pigment which is present in plant and in cyanobacteria. It is also present, which is responsible for the absorption of light and provide energy for photosynthesis. So is an important part of plant. Now let's see the diagram. With the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. Plants save their food with the help of these things. Which food it is stored? In the form of glucose, and oxygen is released. Now is the equation for photosynthesis. How they will react to each other? The molecule of carbon dioxide react with water with the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants makes glucose or sugars, water, and oxygen is released is a byproduct. Basically glucose or sugar plant is a form of food. Plant store energy in the form of sugar or glucose. Where plant intake of water and carbon dioxide? Plant take water. Water where it take in soil. When we put a water in the soil, plant absorb with the help of root and root hair with the process of osmosis. You know about osmosis is a process in which water molecule move from higher to lower concentration or dilute to concentrated one, and it transport this water throughout the plant with the help of xylem vessels. Xylem tissues are also present in plant and it is responsible to transport water throughout the plant. And phloem tissue is also present in plant. It is responsible to prepare food throughout the plant. What about carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide enter through the stomata. Stomata is a pore and opening is present in plant in which air enter. With the help of these stomata, air will enter, and carbon dioxide is diffused in a mesophyll cell. In mesophyll cell, around water is present where carbon dioxide is diffused. Plant take carbon dioxide in mesophyll cells. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occur in two phases: light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction, day reaction means only occur in day. Light reaction only occur in night. Light reaction in which light is directly used. In dark reaction, light is indirectly used. In light reaction, it make high energy molecule ATP and NADH. In dark reaction, it utilize ATP and NADH because it need energy in night, because it not directly use light. Light reactions take place on the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast, which is a membrane of chloroplast, and dark reaction is take place in stroma of the chloroplast. Stroma is a fluid which is present in chloroplast. Now, difference between light and dark reaction. In light reaction, plants save energy. In dark reaction, it utilize energy and with the help of carbon dioxide, it make glucose. What about NADH? Is a nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, work as a coenzyme. It's also save energy like ATP. Light and dark reaction is a comparison of diagram. With the help of sunlight or water molecule, chlorophyll is also present and oxygen released as a byproduct. In dark reaction, carbon dioxide reduce and glucose is make. They make glucose in dark reactions. Now light reaction. Let's see the light reaction. First point is chlorophyll molecule absorb light. Energy level increase and electrons are emitted. Let's see the diagram. This is two molecule of chlorophyll, 1 and 2. You know about the electron energy means light. With the presence of light, chlorophyll molecule absorb and they will increase the level of energy. Electron are transmitted. Which electron? H2O, because water molecule are present in chloroplast. These molecules are split, H different or different. These two molecules are different to each other with the presence of sunlight. This process is called photolysis because light breaks water molecule. Photo mean light, lysis matlab breakdown, and oxygen is released in this process. When electron are released in this process, hydrogen atom is also released. Hydrogen atom of water is also released of electron, and this electron is moved from one chlorophyll to another chlorophyll. The process is called electron transport chain, ETC. Electron transport chain where there the production of ATPs occur. When these electrons are moved from one chlorophyll to another chlorophyll, the hydrogen ions of water are used for the reduction of NADP plus one molecule of one atom of hydrogen is added, they will form NADPH. NADP plus is reduced. Second point, with the help of electron transport chain is the name of process in which ATP is produced. Now light break water molecule with the presence of light. This process is called photolysis, and then oxygen is released and one hydrogen atom is moved from one chlorophyll to another. This hydrogen atom is added with one chlorophyll to another. NADP plus hydrogen is added and they will convert it into NADPH. Now let's see the diagram again. You will understand this. So this is called a Z scheme because electron is moved in the form of Z. Now next one is dark reaction. We are also called a Calvin cycle, and it is discovered by Melvin. Calvin is the name of scientist. Now let's see the diagram of dark reaction. 3 steps are there in the cycle. Is a light independent reaction, means we are called a dark reaction. 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. 1 molecule of carbon dioxide react in one time. 1 molecule of carbon dioxide react with 5 carbon atom. It is formed 6 carbon compound. It is temporary compound. This process is called carbon fixation, in which ATP is used. These 6 carbon compound are reduced into 3 carbon compound, which also use energy. These 3 carbon compounds are split into, they will split into 3 carbon compound. 3 carbon compounds are manufactured by glucose, and then again 3 carbon compounds are enter in the cycle and it link with original 5 carbon. First process is called carbon fixation because it take 1 carbon and forms 6 temporary carbon. Second step is reduction because it split into 3 and 3 plus 3 carbon. And third process is called regeneration because again 3 carbon are also enter in the cycle and 3 carbon compound are make the glucose. 1 carbon is make glucose in one time, in one cycle. Now last one is the role of chlorophyll and light. You know about the role of chlorophyll because the main pigment which absorb light and help to make plant food. Sunlight energy is absorbed by the help of chlorophyll. It is absorb a blue and red light to help more photosynthesis. Photosystem. What is photosystem? Photosystem is a photosynthetic pigments which are help to make food for the plant are organized in the form of clusters. So we are called photosynthesis. Main pigment of chlorophyll is chlorophyll A. Is a main pigment which help to absorb light and help to plant make their own food. Another pigment of chlorophyll B and carotenoids we are called as a accessory pigment. Accessory means a helper pigment which help in plant to make their food. Chlorophyll absorb blue and red light. Mostly it is absorbed because it's a wavelength of is a different wavelength of chlorophyll B and carotenoids. These are the helper of chlorophyll. Okay students, I hope you will understand this topic. Now recall the photosynthesis, the process, equations, diagram, difference between light and dark reactions, and the role of chlorophyll and light. Now is your home assignment. You will understand the concept. Question number 3 and 4 and short question number 1 and 2 you will write in your notebook, and you will also reading for your textbook page number 120 to 123. Thank you students.